Hey guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to solve quotient of power problems, which are basically dividing exponents. So before you watch this video, I recommend that you watch my multiplying exponent video, so that will be more easier and it will make more sense when dividing exponents. So I'll leave an annotation right in this box and then a link in the description box below. Okay, so here's the general formula right here. This can kind of look confusing, so here's an example. So, just like when we were multiplying exponents, we had to actually add the exponents, but when we're dividing, we have to subtract the exponents instead. And it kind of makes sense because you're just doing the inverse operation. So we first have to divide out the whole number, so you get 2. And then we have to subtract these, which is 2. So you could either just leave it like this, or you can actually solve it. So your final answer is 4. So it's kind of like multiplying exponents, except the operations are different, but it's the same idea. For number 2, you just pretend there's a 1, and then you just subtract it like normal. So x squared. For number 3, we actually have to divide out the whole number. So negative 48 divided by negative 8 is 6. And then remember, imagine that there's a 1 for all these coefficients right here. So it's c, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. So your final answer is this. So for number 4, you have an x, and then remember to add your 1. So it's negative 2, and then you add your y, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. And you actually can have negative exponents, but for now we'll just keep it a negative because you have to do something to change this negative to a positive, but I'll make another video over that later on. So for number 5, you can't exactly divide these out and get like an even number. So what you can do is simplify them. So you would get 4 over 5, and then just these cancel out, so your answer is 4/5. So number 6 is just a little bit different. So first, remember to simplify this, so you get 1 over 6. And then 14 minus 2 is 12. And the thing is that since this side has more x's than this side, you put the x on top of the fraction. So you get x 12. So you have to make sure to put the x's on this side, because if you don't, it will be wrong. So remember to look out for that. And then for these exponents too, you would get y 10. So you have to put it on this side of the fraction. And the reason why you have to put these exponents on the top of the fraction is because these have more exponents than the bottom ones. For number 7, there's a 0 right here, so it's just 12. And then 8 minus 3 is 5. And then you get a negative 1, which we will learn how to turn them into positive numbers later. Grab some paper, pause this video, and try doing these problems on your own. So for number 8, you can't simplify anything, so just leave it 7 over 2. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. And remember, since this side has more exponents, make sure you put it on the top. So it's n squared. So this is your final answer. For number 9, you can actually simplify it. So 12 over 9 simplifies to 4 over 3. And then 8 minus 3 is 5. And remember, you have to put this on the top since there's more on the top. So it's x to the 5th. So this is your final answer. And sorry about this weird line right here. Number 10 is pretty easy, so it's just 3. And then 11, you have an n, and then you have a negative 3. I hope this video helped you out and that you learned a lot from it. And make sure you do more examples so that the laws will get stuck in your head, because there are a lot of laws to remember. And I also want to say I'm sorry for the late upload. I'll try to make sure I upload every Saturday. And comment below if you need any help, and please like this video and follow my Twitter. All of that will be in the description box below. And thanks for watching.